Chrome to say boy and combo.
Chromeboko. I'm say to see a Chrome dear himpa stop Galamsey. Now on the sidelines of stop Galamsey, I may hopa. And so save Ghana football.
That's right.
Protester ye lidi Parliament attorneys are free. Na wachi mu ya compre no. First one the MZ tna be kasa be 2 hours. Good. Continuous. Wow. Na interrogation and kasa. Parliament no pese o mo kire se yenso sensem na ye kan nyina no kre. Ti di kan eswe.
Obama yes first head na what ho no a yes o mo enso e ho asem na mo hwe no ngi TV so na Facebook so social media so ba koso.
Exactly. Nti yeso awie no na we say Parliament ne say as the lead convener no ensem bia ye tire no bie mu nkire omo.
Wow.
Nti na we say ye ma obe say one now the council ni nyina no mo wie na afi 8-member committee obi e to questions amaye say we amokan na kire say we amokan na kire say ade bia ohwe a woni ho information no yen compare say kan because you under oath na me say we dey yensuro anya under oath na ebe ma yesuro ti e kan bibia wie na de e fe wo mo ni say after demonstration no parliament na indicate say speaker show mo say because of the demonstration they should sit. Wow. Almost sitting for more than 2 weeks. All stakeholders. Stephen Apia Ako. Nsem na yeko kan no. Odru ho so onyi ba kokra mfrim.
Good.
Ono so assigned bi akoto so Derek Boateng, all the top ex-footballers. Wow. Club administrators obia na the country parliament ni say kojo say abra ye share omo petition no niam ayedi go mu no. Senka omo fire na be a very pressing. Nka ne yamba ne Ghana. Because you can about your pitches na your ball no. You can we say as soon as possible. Ya nye bibi o ho ade enye besi. You started say a ball since 1957 I joined a CAF ni FIFA. This is the first time I Ghana ekobo home match ewo away because you need pitch is suitable.
Na mo kasa to say prophets.
Ni e kasa to say prophets. Ade ni siwie ya pressure aba no. I feel na parliament ato ne sa fresh 7 months after. So obi nyem mo sa abre no kra nko obewo. I just say omo delay but justice delayed and you denied. And this week there, even though say go school, yeah, juma no parliament and so juma na Ghana for the Maya no. Ya kwa kudi echi bebre ebusa muko demonstration na kosi say na no crowd enkrofobia oba ye ka kire o ma yenko ntoko wa ma yanko ntoko a o ma me kon no da no say nko me mo monye violent e wo ho bebre ni menya asem se ma mo manye violent because politicians ni mfie. Finally, so me violent e bia nka medam. But I was say me gina me now so say ye de emra e be ye adwuma nti parliament has finally taken up ade ba ko na ehia pa wom ye de competition e ko ne say coaches no mo coachi all the Ghana national team youth teams no ye ntua omuka under 17 ye fawa ye se ko ti say na ya frɛ oyima ko ka news owi a onko fie e se o mo na etete nkura na ma ye ntua omuka sika ni nyina de call Black Stars Stephen Apia buy no obeka sensem na nkura ne ka no onu kura wabobɔ no say ye de ne kɔ so onko coach na 3 years into aneka obeje bribe eni nti na ma ye coaches na je bribe e de omo nim bɔbɔ ye wie sa de ne parliament say as soon as possible omo recommend say ye ma all coaches standard contract because of the demonstration but ye wo coaches bi o ha omo kɔtena TV so say demonstration ne ho hia because problem bi any Ghana football. But omo na ye betia because of the demonstration. Tu okwama bibinia eni se utie hwe. I say usisi wason say okwama bibinia.
Yes.
You have to black out your mind because nipa na okwama no onim what he deserves.
That's right.
Enti wan hwe ye na oka say okwama bibinia ati say akwala bibinia okwama no. Wa okoti agema wo twe no na ono so twe ne ho su. Se wa anye wo ho papa na wa black waso na wa anye de good amana. And as our coaches, no, omo na eba akwaje dollars. Me nye coach, me ma me ba bia nye coach, me so me nye coach. But omo kwa akodi ho fa. Nti there are so many 15 petitions de call no. Omo age ni nyina atomo a omo investigate. This is the results yensa come from it. And ye be so follow. Now whatever comes out no. Yeti media ma yeti fo.
We are so proud of you. Ye sem won say oman for demonstration. Ananu die ya Ghana say for ko omo organizers no kra bu afu Ghana for bebre say omo ye disappointed
say
just say asem wɔ national ekuta national course na ɔmanfo amba but mo frɛ demonstration no hwɛ organizations corporate bodies let me say corporate Ghana obiade ho jim na kwaso na yetimi ade ekyirama parliament abɛfrɛ mo kyɛ and they say the Ghana for eba bomb pa say we be a pass call demonstration ya pass demonstration na so aba
yes
no e just say they just won be hu mo
kojo me de me a sports journalist but me hu ne say life is bigger than sports mo de mo ye no ha yi eno na so pa ye de na ye part of national life so man ni mu nyo ya ye mfa ball nya hwe nti me any demonstration a e wo national appeal na e wo credibility me obi ntimi nyusu me mfa nye ne political mfa me nye ne pound ntimi hwa na ade na te se galamse de am ye na no yi no de nti amama nko bi a one na me ni Ghana two man hu organization yi but say e be koso a ye 3rd October
yes
me kobi because makomo hu organizers me pe faceless a political demonstration credibility
good.
Na obi amfa party ashet bia meka because omamutu galamse no party for ni nyina wom say ye ka no kra na mum abaye otiso na wo all the security ade empower no say wontu ase nti say ye kwa ma ye nkoyi we mfrim ye kwa na ye kwa no full nti me fa ne say wo ye youth wo Ghana nipa ba ko atem bia na me trust no da bia maka e president me say me pese me live me youth et is na nado me kan be 10 years ago sa asem bia si na wonpa yamani pan hu nti na nado youth spirit na we say ura youth of Ghana mu ene asem si na wonpa galamse ne de se wonni hu sika bi ana wudi bi mpo a you are granted but ehun nsuo na ehun yare de obenom bi wa no ma obusuani benom ti koyo Ghana for boy pa na eye te se wo say wo frɛ me se membra okon bi a me musa akire
because woni babia me
free babia wo free minimum principle nti any time ade bia national course no we will fight and hit the street peacefully for the interest of Ghana nti meka say the Ghana for smaye no also my platform no ehun resource na parliament e taking up no
Observe who are pass your head of sports, Saddick Adams sports Obama, wodin waji adim amana swaba Ghana nyina enfifra ukofri no na daji ene se yenso support the time chire no akwakoso abapa de ama Ghana nyina mama yenti abra parliament from no yenti bibi kakrabe.
Well, so we will have
by the Almighty God, that the evidence I shall give before this committee, touching the matter in issue, shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Thank you.
Very well. Thank you very much, Honorable Chair and distinguished participants in this session. My name is Saddick Adams, again a lead convener of the group. A bit of clarification, the group's name as a sports pressure group is Save Ghana Sports, but this was specifically petitioned as against the happenings in football. That's why it was titled Save Ghana Football, and presented on the 14th of February 2024 to the House of Parliament, as you've already mentioned. And this was with respect to the happenings of the national teams or issues of our national teams, especially at the back of the African Cup of Nations, where Ghana embarrassingly crashed in the group stages for the second time running in Ivory Coast, coupled with the poor state of our domestic competitions, as well as school sports and the juvenile national teams. So in totality, we had a list of points that we had suggested or put on paper, presented to this august house for your consideration respectfully. I'll run through them briefly, so the House can proceed. So the first point was that for the past, 20 or 30 years, we have seen an alarming decline
yeah, say akura wonyina beto kaa no ene wa hyase busa kaa koba na zatware mde ama mani agye no mani agye makomam ni bitirim nyina adura manim nyina hwe ade a Obama aye ho wa soa Ghana nyina na pampam na asoa bente se pa yamfa Obama de nto ho akire be yi ni makoma NGTV so ne all our affiliate platforms. Enche bia na okatachie etam to you for the first time. Presenter watam to you abowura for the say on prema China for me say yensu ani ekwaye. Wakwa China for the dimleka dwana masisi ya no. Course we ba ahemfu tutu amntoma soma wo mpanifo mo ba angel ha. So mo so pase ade a angel ye no. Wo mo ejai na yeah. Enti na kire say angel brand no enya ketwa eyi no ho ya wa soa Ghana wo di Ghana nim say national course ye de ya de pa soa na so aba enti say wo ka angel fraternity no ho a
wo akukoduro journalism no dey say
you see
mo nyina impact am wo maye so no e wo say yeso ye take na ye de ema system no yeso na impact
time wa oba time wa ene se to time wa Dr. Kwaku oten e ka kire me say ebu ho no ma o na ya ba na me say data wo se akojo afidie no o man mo dwuna mpuntu eba mu a ena ekan nya some ye businessman enti se o man mo dwu a ena businessman no mesoma so mo dweme na my business enti me de afidie no ba se emfa mesom man no o kan no asa wa kan sa say indeed
impact wo
ena sunsuma na ta papa no na akuma pa de kai no wa kan sa na mframa no otugu na no sa na elements na wo brand no mo no ene epiepie no eso abasa no
sanity o say etimi massa spirit no
eto aso enti oba ya da se bekoso na yekutekute ehwe won sa na de sa spirit no efiri papa na numo no
ya na papa nso ase enye adwuma wura bia na be ma okwan ama o ye niam bi se obeka so osuro ba papa o ti a o se ade a o ye de ye enye a obeka cha o se ya ahwe yie ba eye a o ti a o se ye katachie ya ade o se ade we de se nyina be boaye wo ye bibia anti Dr. Kwaku
ya da sa no enema ade a wo hwere because of this no wo ti a amazing wo ti a ehu he is losing a lot from all angles,
but he will be replenished
financially, morally, everything.
Then will come back.
Just because I say Ghana, it
will come back.
All right. Ebusan for the ancient Obama head of sports actually. Bobeti bebre ye bobu bunu to sa